show us your little outfit. Oh, that is so cute. Look at your little
smile.
shoes. Oh, I missed it. Look at those little shoesies. Oh, that's cute. Come on, give us a smile, Mia. Give us a smile. Come on, baby girl. That's almost a smile. Just a smile. There we go. Come on, Mia.
Big one.
Come on. How about a little tickle? Somebody tickle me.
Not quite.
Oh, who do you see? Do you see your mommy?
You watch my camera?
Well, I never actually honestly looked for it. I was just trying to see. I couldn't find it.
Oh, great.
Hey, Motley Crew, what are you guys going to do this morning?
We're probably going to kick it, clean up the yard nice.